Perfect. Nearly market open. Let me go back to chat. Okay, I'm live. Let me send the live. I'll send the live on Twitter. Live stream, New York Open. Okay. So let me see, guys. Okay. Perfect. Okay, market open, guys. Let's see what market gives us. Market open, we open pretty near of val, below T-val, time val, still here, we break below. Now volume val came here low, we got some volume. Nice liquidations here on the 5 minutes, on this push down. Actually, I'm expecting the rally of gold, SPX up, so it's what we don't want to see. Hey again, thank you for following. Yo, I think microphone today is better, guys. Actually lowered, so we don't have any more vibration. I did the video of today of talking about these positions I'm holding, Bitcoin and ETH shorts, over 500k in volume. The audio was better, so give a like, guys, and repost the stream so more people join. Let's see, this is the two positions I'm holding. This is the Bitcoin short. I said on the video, okay? You can go back on the video that I just posted. I would not like this New York session to trade above 66,800 and try to go for new highs. Already have the retest. I would like that price action starts accepting lower prices so we can go. But I also said in the video that from this swing, okay, this is the swing I'm holding. This one, no, okay, because this was small. This was the one that breaks structure, so the swing is from here, from my opinion, to the high. I'm expecting a reaction on the OTE zone and 79. So if we actually manage to roll over this price, let me delete this so you can see, guys. If we manage to go to this price and not go lower, I will close my positions on my shorts, because then if we hold here or we hold here, we will actually create a higher low, so that will be bullish. We'll continue this bullish momentum. But if we slow bleed, but when we don't give any heavy bullish engulfing candle on these levels, I will still hold my short positions. You can see here, ETH was the one I was looking for a nice reaction, and actually now it's chopping around. I don't really like a lot ETH now, but yeah, because now we can see that we're flagging and this can give a spike, so that's why I don't like really ETH. I like more the price action on Bitcoin. But despite we seeing CL tanking and Nasdaq again on, it's like I was saying, what you say? How you use Footprint as a trigger, bro? Yeah, I'm trying to do, like, I'm being more active on YouTube. Today I did a video about positions I'm in now, and now I'm gonna use this clip. So clip it, because I'm gonna give you the answer about how I use the footprint for a trigger, and I'm gonna explain you another model, because you already have the 1 minute model where we see a slowdown, we see a liquidation event like this one. We go back to the 1 minute, and then on the 1 minute we actually have to see a flip on delta. So delta was negative when reconnecting. Okay, no, don't want to see these reconnecting things. But here is the model. Actually, it's happening now. The model I use for scalping. So let me see if I can reconnect here to MMT, and we're going to go back. So I actually see, and we will go back to MMT, to the footprint, is once we have a liquidation event like this one. By liquidation event, I mean this spike down, a lot of delta liquidated here. We have to see that price tries to go lower but doesn't go lower. You see that delta gets flipped here, and actually when we break up again, here you have your, and you will see on the footprint now, but here you have your long. Once we break structure, we couldn't break lower, and then we will target actually 1 to 2R, something like this. This can happen perfectly. Okay, we will go back to our footprint. Sorry, I don't know why this is happening to me now, this stream, actually, when everybody's clipping this. So if we cannot have a good clip about this, I will do a video for you guys for market participant that you asked. MNT, yes, so boogie. I don't know why they're having these lag things. It was good all day. But yeah, it's lagging a bit. So going back to what I'm seeing, what I'm not liking is that the push down is really flaggy, and usually with this bullish momentum, and any sort of bullish PA, bullish pattern is playing out. So what I would not like, and I will cut all my shorts. Actually, this will be on stop, will be on a loss. If we start trading above 66,800, I said, and for ETH, I will cut it if we hit stop loss. If I had a hard stop loss, I don't wanna. ETH is more volatile, so any moment they can spike me. So I prefer have a stop loss, because also I have volume on this trade. So yeah, let's see if this happens. So yeah, we can see here the model I like to trade after a bleed and heavy delta push with liquidations. We want to see into a session with volume. That will be Nasdaq. I didn't catch this scalp because I was preparing the stream, but we want to see that delta flip from negative delta that we have here to positive delta. We can actually see if MMT charges or no. I'm gonna see if in another browser that works, because it's not working on. Not working anywhere. You guys see the stream with any lag? Is the question I have. No, not yet confirmed. Not yet confirmed the downtrend till 57, like we say. Not yet confirmed. Also in ETH is still pretty bullish. I was expecting this sweep give us a more reaction, and actually they're holding previous accumulation zone. You see, they holding this accumulation zone in ETH, so that's why I don't really like it. So till we don't break this accumulation zone down, ETH can still be bullish. Okay, so careful. Yeah, got denied. Let's see if this denies for a new low. But yeah, ETH, I would like that ETH breaks this accumulation zone soon to the downside. Then I would be more confident on my trade. At the moment, they're accumulating here. No, it's not lagging, sir. Okay, perfect. My stream is not lagging, so I think MMT is the problem. It's not working in any of my browsers. Okay, now it's going up. Okay, I think they listen to me. Okay, here what we have okay, the footprint. Okay, going back to the 1 minute to explain what I was saying. Let them load, because I want to see at least some of the things. I don't know why I have this server lag. Okay. Well, going back to this, what we see here, we see a delta increase. So they push it hard into a POI that was value area low. They push it so hard here into the opening session, and then what happened? There were so many liquidations. We could see on the 5-minute charts, delta bubble. So market orders were aggressive, and then after this push down. So after this push down, this is the clip you need to clip. After this push down, we couldn't see lower prices of this one. Okay, we couldn't see. And what happens after we see all this negative delta? The delta was pretty negative. This is an aggregate rolling CVD, aggregate delta. We could see a flip on delta. We started seeing a flip of delta. Bam, bam, bam. Where I have a confirmation, a break of an internal high. That's my market long. And then usually I target for a 1 to 2R. So 1 to 2R, we can go here to the tools. Long. I go to my trigger. 1 to 1. 1 to 2. I like 185, but we're gonna go stick to 1 to 2. Let's see if it hits. Okay, 198. Okay, let's leave it there. Daily VWAP, actually, we still underneath the daily VWAP, so we actually very still, even we have a bullish open. So I would like to see a bullish open into a bearish close, so we're still going lower. I don't want to see a flip of daily VWAP and make daily VWAP as support, guys. So with this clip, this is my main footprint strategy I do. So what I have here on this template that you have for free on MMT, guys, actually it's called footprint markets. It's underneath my user, so you can go to community and search for it. Okay, here in community, and you can have this template. Every time I save something, it will be updated to you also, guys. So here I have SPX real time of hyperliquid. Here I have Nasdaq today is being aggressive. I don't like that for my shorts, but it is what it is. I have CL on underneath, and I have gold. I have the markets. I want to see traditional markets to see what's happening. The pump on gold on the beginning of the session was what gets me to think that this rally at the open is happening. So here I don't know if we're gonna get a TP, but for sure I think 2 hours they're gonna hit. Also the TP is on an internal sweep here, where we had the first block of market shorts, 258 Bitcoin shorted here, and then the rally down happened. So let's see if we hit TP. I actually scalped short. I am out of the shorts. I was on shorts on this London session. Thank you very much for everybody that's here on stream. Let's see if we have this model I use for trading footprint give us a TP live. Actually is gonna give it. So it's pretty easy to catch a 2 hour. Actually we hit it 2 hours. We can click this. Okay, so with this said, let me delete this. Let me go back to 5 minutes. We trading below POC volume POC, and we trading below VWAP. Still, for me, my opinion, we didn't flip. Pretty aggressive on perps. Okay, so in order to see a change in the trend of the day, they need to flip POC that they try hard this time. Where I posted, this is the post I did on Twitter. Okay. This is the post I did on Twitter. They tried pretty hard to flip this with volume, and the nuke was what I expected, but it's happening all the days this week. Every New York session they recover, they do a V shape. and you can see here on the indices. What I would not like for my trade is they hold this as support, and then because then you can have here a scalp into these highs or something like that. You could have something like this for a scalp if they flip POC and VWAP to this next box of liquidity. But actually, if we go this high, they will squeeze higher, and I will cut all my shorts. I don't want to see they recover this low that was the low of the retest. So guys, if they recover this low, then we're going for higher. Okay, let me see if I can delete all drawings, clear all drawings. So yeah, that's the thing. Now let's see what happens. Any of the people on the chat are actually in a trade? People that are not on my VIP, because some of the VIP members are getting also my trades. Pretty tough month. I would like that. I would like that people actually tell me how they're doing on the month, but it's been a really hard month for trading. Actually, you get a good trade, good hours, then you flip flop, or actually you get a good trade and then you lose 1 hour on so many trades with these volatile moves. Actually, this month was my most round trip on so many trades. I was 2 hours on the profit on many, like 5 I can see, or 6 trade I have on my journal, and the trade goes directly to stop loss. 1.5 hour directly to stop loss. Like the entries were nice. The first move was on my direction, and suddenly any session, anything reverse, and the trade goes directly to stop loss. It's been a really tough month for me. Like it's been really heavy to me to maintain a neutral win rate. Like really heavy, really difficult. Sorry. No, this VPOC is daily. VWAP daily, volume profiles daily. So this POC is daily. Daily POC with VPOC. Ah, you see they pushing it there. Daily. I have now no lag. Before I had lag, but you can see open interest decreasing. So this is actually a short squeeze. Let me see how is liquidation. Some long liquidations here on this push, but not massive. I'm gonna change this to not only new ones. You can see some net shorts opening here into this V and T POC. I keep switching from this template to this 5 minutes. I want to see this 5 minutes for the net and the liquidations. But yeah, I want to see some sort of retracement here. If not, a discontinuation. I don't really like it for my positions. You can see Ethereum is. I'm already on the red. Being on the green for so long. Now I'm on the red. That gets stopped. Is a long. The thing I don't like about these swing positions, guys, I don't know if you think the same as me, is holding a position so long, being on the green for so long. Actually, I was on the green since all these, not counting these weeks, for 1 day, and now being on the red. That's something I don't really like, you know. Is something I don't really like. Bitcoin is performing better on the shorts than ETH now today. Okay, so let's see. Okay, then I on the VT POC. Let's see the liquidation clusters. How they let me see if they reset. It's what I was saying. Also the liquidations. I'm seeing again clusters of shorts creating up for sure on all these downtrend slowly bleed. They keep adding to shorts, so they keep creating clusters. But this cluster from the 62,500 that I was expecting for a touch soon is still insane. And actually, we got this major liquidation and we continue up rallying. Something I don't know. This move for me, in my opinion, for me is not harmonical. Like it's for me is like full FOMO, looking to go to 70K, and I don't know if they will get it. Probably, probably, because these markets, when they start with the FOMO, 69 something and then flush from around the 70, yeah, all is possible. Okay. Also, so much news of wars, and price continues going up. Okay, let me clear also these drawings. Oh, what the fuck I did? Let me go back. Let me see what happens. If giving if doesn't like me, doesn't like me. let me read the chat, guys. Let me read the chat. Have been hard trades is Tom so far, like 4-5 BTC trades, but I'm more today swinging on BTC. Then you're right. The people that are swinging from the lows, these trades, and they are like more trading for our continuation points, are actually in the green. So yeah, scalp ES and NAS. Yeah, I used to scalp those. I mainly come from those price action. Here, I think we'll go to fill SP at 68K based on market structure. What do you think? Gonna look now. I feel the same position with you at this month though. Yeah. You say 68K single print. Yeah, let me see if I can load this. Yeah, but based on 4-hour chart, the thing is, what I'm expecting, if we from here, okay, if we continue higher, I think this is a clear clean that they want. Okay, because it's a flat candle on the 4 hours. This is so ugly. So okay, and actually if we go here, what's the level they want? Because this is actually clean, but yeah, you have some levels here. So this is the 68.5 something, the single print is calling. Okay, so yeah, actually they will actually have something there that will actually clean the flat candle and will give us a reaction. So yeah, if we go higher, I would not expect above 69, 200 to 300. So I would expect a partial fill of that single print. So if we do something like this and we go higher, something like this, and go down, that's what you're expecting. No, that will be a clean. That will actually that will also be inside my thesis on not going to 70 that everybody likes. But yeah, we need to know that we have this level also. I'm gonna change the color. That is also a level 72 holding this. So yeah, also that's a level I sometimes, if they want to be, the market wants to rally, could also go and fulfill all these imbalances we have here in time and volume. So yeah, but we never know. No, we never know. Sometimes you expect in there and then we start trading below 63 and you will say, I'm not in the short, you know. So with this said, let's see, let's continue price action. Let's see what we have. Yeah, we continue. Let's see if we can confirm continue bearishness on this price action and we can actually stay safe on the trade. I would like to see a close below 65 or a sweep of 65 today. That will be what I like, but let's see what market gives me. Back to this trade. 1 minute. Every time they try to close below now, they're getting bought up. Yeah. How was my day? My day was pretty nice. I did pretty nice things on Bali this morning. But now actually was a little bit rainy. This because now here is nearly 10 of the night, and so it was a little bit rainy now. Now it stopped. I had to manage some things from Spain also that I have to manage. That now the Spain is still working hours, so actually there's That's the day. If the hours were like they work, so I had to do some calls. That when I finish the streaming, like I will finish the stream today, will be 45 minutes. So I will finish the stream in 15 minutes, and I will start calling my other things I have to finish from Spain. But yeah, my day in Bali was pretty nice, guys. Like, I don't know what you did on the day. I wake up early. I actually did send it a scalp trade on the Telegram VIP that actually are gonna send. Sorry, the colors now look like this. Let me show you here on stream. Oh, okay, was this trade that I took. I was expecting this. Here was we were having this this candle was the candle that beated 200 million, and I was expecting a sweep of this internal and I go back, because here upstairs we had the VWAP, we have the POC, and yeah, 275 hour. We could go for the previous day, the daily low sweep, but I wanted to close early because I wanted to close in profits today. This week has been this week and this month has been so heavy to hold trades till full TP, so I try to close on the green when I see I should. So yeah, so these type of trades, this type of scalps on the 5-minute is what we get on the VIP Telegram. So if you are not in and you want to join, it's pretty easy. Okay, you have on the description of the stream and the video. Okay, and now yeah, now we're trying to push again into POC and daily VWAP. Okay, let's catch on chat. Thank you for winning that. Yeah, well, I'm not really into football, but this time I went to see the football also with my girlfriend, and yeah, of course. Thank you very much for saying that. Yeah, but if we're gonna go on a little bit of polemic, I don't like how it ended the game, how aggressive Argentina, and how bad sportive some players of Argentina team tried to fight when they were losing. So it is that is that they don't know to lose, you know. Yeah, it's pretty bullish price action on Nasdaq and ES. I'm not gonna lie, ES is going for previous day high. Nasdaq a little bit less, but yes, I don't really like this. That's what also carried this Bitcoin trade. But carry or no, this is the model we like to see for a scalp into a volume session. We see previously some shorts spilling in, market orders aggressive, getting stuck here. We see a flip of delta here. You see here, flip of delta, pretty nice, and then that's your trigger. Which one? No, the swing trades. When I swing trade, I take off a level. When I scalp, I use footprint. Yeah, James, they were pretty frustrated, and actually, yeah, they acted pretty poorly. Yeah, gold is fucking flying. CL now is flying. Everything is flying. Actually, again, flip this again to all bullish. I don't know these markets. Like, sorry, this one. Flip again all to bullish markets. Bitcoin, Nasdaq, ES, gold, CL to bullish. No, bro. Again, no. Again, no. Yeah, if going red again. This what it is. Well, guys, if we don't do the reaction pretty soon, let me. Well, I want to stay at least 10 minutes more on the stream. I said I would stay till 10:15 here on stream. I will stay on stream. We actually have the clip of the live of what happens on a trade of the model I like to see on the 1-minute chart after a momentum momentum reversal. But yeah, but Spain was one of my choice to win this year as well. Yeah, it was actually what Spain had was really pretty young traders, players, and actually really good. Spain always has been the football in Spain is pretty high level. So actually having good players is something they're cooking for so much long. Like they have so many schools of football. They have so many good people that want to come to Spain. Who the good teams in Spain. So the I don't know how to explain the it's all boiling for a good football. Yeah. Nothing 1 hour looks ass. And also, but have you seen gold? Have you seen gold, guys? Have you seen gold also pushing so hard? Let's see gold what happens here. Let's see gold here what happens. If they flip this or they reject, but all looking pretty bullish, huh? This candle on 1 hour of ES, this candle of 1 hour on Nasdaq. You know what can happen that will be bearish actually? Like would be bearish that Nasdaq cannot flip this and ES yes, and ES does now a flip, go back in, and then we will have SMT, and actually is going for it, But yeah, I also had this mark, it is expanding edge wedge. They actually bounced it earlier, but I was expecting a bounce here. But now what? The hourly, I don't really like it. This is looking like bullish. I will actually don't like that they actually flip this candle closer in the 1 hour and we start closing above here. You guys, I will start to think on cutting my swing long shorts. If we start making this breaker or whatever you want to call as support, this can be, and then what we can do, we can catch along. I will close all my trades and I will flip to long, but I want to see actually my BTC position get flipped. Okay guys, I want to see closes above my position, then yeah, I would say go to go higher. At the moment we are not able to close above POC. If we close above POC, then yeah. Because I have a better position on Bitcoin on another account. But it's looking so bad. I'm gonna close. I'm gonna close this one and re-enter. Or at least, yeah, I don't wanna get. Yeah, I will close if it flips. This account is an account I have for just a small account, not the big account. I will wait for a closure, but this account, how I'm seeing Nasdaq, yeah, let me see. Nasdaq is so bullish, but CL is reclaiming, yeah. CL is reclaiming, so that makes me think that, yeah. Let me have you here, guys, so I can see you. Yeah, the correlation now is being a little bit weird, but actually, I don't know. I'm gonna test here. I don't want to fuck my stuff, but yeah, here you have something of add a pair. So if you go to indices and I put Nasdaq, whoa, what it does. And if this, oh, why doesn't let me? It fucks my chart. But there was a way to add the chart. No. Where is that? Oof. No, it goes here. I don't know to do it. But yeah, you need to see also the correct. Okay, we are in POC. POC moved down now because we didn't move. Yeah, this is pushing so hard. I don't really like this. My trade on my trade on the small account is gonna get stopped. What is this? How many? 23 million. Actually eat it. So yeah, I don't really like this. Look this delta here. Are they continuing? So yeah. Okay. Well, I can close it. So guys, now you're gonna see me taking a decision. Look the if I will not flip it because I don't wanna flip and get. If what I gonna do, guys, on it is I gonna close half. If it lets me. Okay. It closed me. Stop loss. And Bitcoin, I gonna reverse this. I don't want it. Okay, guys, let's see how this plays out. My invalidation will probably be like they go for a new low. I don't want to see a new low. And I want to see 67, 200. Okay, that's what I was saying on ETH. ETH is so volatile. Look ETH. Actually, it stopped me on bluffing, but it didn't stop me on the... Why? Okay, guys, I will partial stop loss this one if it goes lower than this, and hard stop if it goes here, and I give room to this trade. And TP, I don't know, because this, if this runs, it will go higher, so 68 or something like that. Yeah. I will be live tomorrow also. Okay, guys. With this, let's see if they reject this area. Okay. With this end, thank you very much for everybody to joining. I'm gonna close stream, and we will reopen tomorrow. I will do a trade recap of the day of today. Okay, we did one win, one stop loss. We got stopped on ETH trade. We wicked out actually, because I don't know if they're gonna continue, but yeah, for sure I think they're gonna continue. But it was nasty week. You can see here on my trade on Twitter, the chart I'm looking. I didn't got stop. You can see, guys, here. I didn't got stop, but bluffing, yeah, bluffing stopped me, and I actually had the same price, you know. But I don't know. Okay. With this said, see you guys on the next stream. Thank you for tuning in. I see you in the next stream. Oh, thank you very much.